Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to import phone contacts to Gmail. Friends, if due to any reason our phone gets some software issue or any other problem, then the biggest loss would be that we may lose contact details of our friends and relatives saved on our mobile phone. So to protect our data saved on mobile phone, we need to sync our contact etc. on our Google account. Now to auto sync your mobile data in your Google account, you simply need to press on settings. In setting, you need to press on now in settings, press on Google. Here you need to press on backup. Here you need to scroll it little down and you need to press on Google account data. Now you simply need to press on contacts to enable autosave of all your mobile contacts in your Google account. Now it has synced all my contacts to my Google account. So friends, like this you can very easily sync your mobile contacts to your Gmail account very easily. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.